I'm doing a video. Come on, girls. Girlfriends. Misty, do it. Dance. Now. Dance. There you go. Shake it, baby. Shake it. Back it up. Back it up. Back it up. Now. Oh. Oh. Okay, drop the towel.
No, I am not. You are the director of this movie.
I am the director of this movie, dang it.
Drop the towel. I'm going to find 2 new subjects to direct. Maybe Smeagol will back it up for you.
Smeagol, back it up for me.
Just like, wait, you want to back it up?
Oh my God.
Smeagol just turned around and went.
Would that be funny? That would be awesome.
Here,
Back it up, back it up, back it up now.
But I'm not moving. Yeah, we're not touching anything.
It's like in the middle of the...
Back it up.
No, grab her.
Why is it happening?
Do something.
Let's open it.
Do something funny.
Give her a reaction so she stops.
Yeah, do something for me. I'll stop. Lock it, baby.